metungira ngebangu zamme, ngebangu zamme njaira ngengola zamme, ngengola zamme sesele bana yanga, ebana yanga mone kende nyoka moyo, nyoka moyo nikele mwana nyumba, mwana nyumba bokele bo waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, unakongo mone kende ngoma tamu sisange pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, 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 pakudungu. Yere muzila Kongo, yere muzila Kongo, muzila Kongo mokele luibame, luibame kujira ngebangu zamme, ngebangu zamme njaira ngengola zamme, ngengola zamme sesele bana yanga, ebana yanga mole kende nyoka moyo nikele mwana nyumba, mwana nyumba kokele bo waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, mone kende ngoma tamu sisange pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu, pakudungu. Yere muzila Kongo, yere muzila Kongo, muzila Kongo mokele luibame kujira ngebangu zamme, ngebangu zamme njaira ngengola zamme, ngengola zamme sesele bana yanga, ebana yanga mone kende nyoka moyo nikele mwana nyumba, mwana nyumba bokele bo waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, unakongo mone kende ngoma tamu sisange pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu, pakudungu. Yere muzila Kongo, yere muzila Kongo, muzila Kongo mokele luibame, luibame kungira ngebangu zamme, ngebangu zamme njaira ngengola zamme, ngengola zamme sesele bana yanga, ebana yanga mone kende nyoka moyo nikele mwana nyumba, mwana nyumba bokele bo waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, waikate, unakongo, mone kende ngoma tamu sisange pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete 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 Kongo, yele muzila Kongo, yele muzila Kongo, mono yeti kwenda kwa mula Kongo, mbuilo mbungele umundila Kongo, mbangu za mendungili umundila Kongo, ngola zambe zizele mula Kongo, nyoka moyo bone kende mula Kongo, mwana ndumba bantele mula Kongo, mwana ndumba bokele mula Kongo, waitate mula Kongo, nuzi mole kende muna Congo Sipo vilanga pakundundu muna Congo Endundu si pelekete muna Congo Endundu si pelekete muna Congo Bila kese tuna munda muna Congo Bila makinu tuna kinna muna Congo Patata Luisa tuna kweto muna Congo Mama Luisa tuna kweto muna Congo Oluzolele kumamu meno muna Congo Mono ngele kombe muna Congo Kedika ngele kwenda muna Congo Oh mono ngele kombe muna Congo Mono ngele kombe muna Congo
difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra.
Yambote Nengwatariwa. Yambote Nengwatariwa. Ah, she's gone. What's happening? Nengwatariwa, can you hear me? Yambote Nengwatariwa.
Kyambote tata.
Zinama vipi?
Ingeta nama vimpi yeyenu
Yetepe tunama vipi? Titondele. Yambula Kaisa Nkangu. Hello, if you're watching, we thank you. Do not move, please. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom spoken in. Who can help?
Angola,
the
Republic of Congo,
yes.
the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Gabon.
Yeah. Well done. Thank you very much. Oko. Unu. Muna Kikongo kaka tuvovela. VCD. Baki ici. E unu muna Kikongo kaka tuvovela. Yeah. Vova is the verb. No, vova is your verb. Yeah, vova is your verb.
Okay.
Tu is your usual.
So you mean today we're going to speak Congo?
Yes. Today we're going to speak only. Don't speak in Congo. Yes, well done. Kiatangu. Kiatangu unazao.
Tangu.
News. Kiatangu. News. Tangu. Kiatangu unazao. I'm asking you a question. Kiatangu unazao.
Are you asking what happened today?
No news. Tangu.
Oh, you mean like what's
Tangu.
new?
No, any news? This is basically this is a question. Yeah. Let me just put it in a different way. Maybe this one is going to help. Let me just display this. Yeah, Tangu, yes? Okay, let's put it in a different way. Same question. Imambu mabwidi kunantieno. Let me try to write that down. Imambu
Mambo is like a problem.
Yeah, try to translate my sentence, please. Kimambu mabwidi. Mabwidi kunantieno. Okay, TN. Let's just write it like this because we are learning. Kimambu mabwidi. Sorry. I need to delete all this. Bear with me. I'm going to tell you what should be this page. It should be enough. Yes, Kimambu mabwidi kunantieno. Can you translate my sentence, please?
Any news on? Does it mean what news? Does mabwidi mean what?
Let me give
news.
No. Let me try to help. Mabwidi, bois is your verb, yes? Bois is the verb, you know? Bois is the verb, meaning. Now, bois is to fold, yes? Yeah, bois. Bois, let me try. Bois. Yeah, bois, yes?
Okay. So what news fell upon you?
Sorry?
So does it mean like what news fell upon you?
Yeah, good. Yeah, this is literally good translate like this. But try to translate Ntieno. Ntieno.
Tieno, like
Remember
on your
this?
side.
Yes, yeah. Remember Eno is the usual Eno, yes?
Mm.
The second plural. Nti means Nti
Does it mean
is
side? Oh, your
country,
place.
country, country,
Country.
country. Yes. Yeah, Nti. So when I say Kimambu Mabuidi kuna Ntieno. This is Gikongo. This is Gikongo anyway. It's hard to translate. When I say Kimama Buid, basically talking about any breaking news. Yes, any something news. This is the context. Any news, any breaking news, because bois, this is the nuance. This is the sense. So Kimambu Mabuidi kunantieno. Mambu, yeah. Can you this is plural. Change it into singular, the sentence. I mean, you're going to touch on Mambu and Mabuidi. Mambu, Ma is plural, D is your DI is your singular. Yes?
Also, it's just D.
Just remove
Oh, so
Mama.
I say Diambu.
Yes,
Diambu.
well done. Diambu, carry
Buidi.
on. Dibuidi, yes, Dibuidi.
Dibuidi. Oh.
Yeah, Dibuidi.
Kidiambu.
Kidiambu
Dibuidi.
Dibuidi.
Kuna
Kunantieno.
Tieno.
Yeah. But Congo people are being conservatives. I mean, we are very traditional. We say, generally speaking, we do use plural, yeah? Respect. Gimambu.
Yeah.
Remember,
Mabudi.
tutondele. You can say tondele, first singular, yes?
But you must say tone.
Yeah, utondele. Okay. Kimambu mabuidi kunantieno. Kidiambu dibuidi kunantieno, singular. Okay, try to your answer, please.
Oh, I say.
You start from the sentence. Just drop the key, because this is what. So,
I say Mambu Mabudi.
Mambabwidi kunatie. Okay, this is the test to you.
Kuna Nsiame.
Good, but you go say it in plural, yeah? Because we're talking about you plural. Then your answer.
Sieto.
Well done, Mama Bwidi kunatieto. So and so and so. Yes. Well done. Okay. VCD nengwa. VCD. Bakisi.
Bakisi. Oh, them. You mean like to understand?
Mumogana tuna. Ekiuvu kiame. Bakisi. Nzalelezaya vo bakisi. Bakisi. VCD. VCD. Bakisi something.
Bakisa means to understand.
Yes, correct. Yeah, that's why this is my question. Bakisi.
Ingeta.
I want you to use the verb. Yes. you're rusty.
How do you say I understand?
Your verb is there. Bakis. If I give you, remember the keyword. If I give you my question, Bakisi, you give me your answer should carry nasal, yes? Bakisi, nasal, give me the nasal, present perfect indicative, yeah? Mbakisi. Yeah. Remember?
So, the question is
Bakisi or VCD something. Then you answer. Just
Bakisi.
Yes, VCD, yes. Okay. Yeah, I mean same verb. Visa, Bakisi, same verb. Bakisi, VCD. Yes.
But
So
like
now,
the nasal.
I'm sorry?
So when you're saying mbakisi, you're not using the nasal.
No, the nasal is there. When I say Mbakisi, the nasal is there. Otherwise, it would
And
be
then
Bakisi, yeah? Mbakisi. Mbakisi. Yeah, the nasal is there.
okay. But when I respond, I need to say mbakisi.
Yes, Mbakisi, yes. Yes. Okay, negative now. Kiba. I'll give you the answer. Okay. Bakisi, no, negative.
So say kimbakisi.
Oh, you dropped, you're not using nasal here.
Oh, I dropped the nasal, so
Yeah.
kimbakisi.
Yes. VCD?
Kivisidi ko.
Yes. Ok. E mono si atula video engeye siwa nengo tedi siwa soneka vingila fioti unaye lapi unaye au lenda sonika Sonica.
Sonica is to write.
Yes, lenda Sonica.
When you write
Sonica. Okay. E monosia tula video tomawa. Mukumvisa una? Tomawa.
Kivisidiko.
Kuvisidiko. Oh. Wa e monumvova ngina enge mwa una. Wa
And what to see.
Mona to see. Wa
To see. To listen.
Yes, okay. Wakuba mauna.
Kubama.
See, you're rusty. It's been a long time.
I remember you mentioned
Kubama to be ready. Get ready, yes? Kubama.
Oh, you're asking me if I'm ready.
Yes. Wakubama una.
Say Kubama. Hello, Kubama tuna.
Kubama ngina, yes.
Oh, Kubama ngina.
Kubama ngina, yes. Because remember, I'm using Wakubama una. Remember, the una is what is una?
Una
What is
singular.
Yeah, color, yes. Remember?
Yes.
Wakubama ngina. Okay. Can I play my video? Yes, 5 minutes. Yes. This is my village. Yeah, the video you're going to watch is my village. Okay. I want you to grasp that Kikongo. This is my accent, yeah? Okay, off we go. Ready? Yes?
Hello.
Okay.
Kubama.
Kolingina ye ingutu kiya imbanze kivange lyako wao kibalo kavo kitomulute mutangu katutuwa kuna 25 tuyiza kwako mudambuli patu kalya kaizetu kwa tu kilibo shabavu dayele ko 25 wao tuishili kwako mukuse vutu kabonsuna akela kaizetu kutuvangila nga patu ya imbanza egala luisi ligawo bensawo kekene kunavo nzenza ukaka utu kwa katu kiaki isine kikivanga lyako kiutu kilisedi yao mbutetu yetu mbutishima unyoka mwana ndiyo una utete unavo ministro da ambiente vice ministro wa ambiente yandi izulu kuli tete dimbutetu mbutishima unyoka mamukivanga lyako engudi yao imbutetu yetu pangetu ngusuzani mazenzela iuti digawo idiavo kieza tuna kia kolukene vo kavile kene ukuna tuki dia so levo esa tunga mbanza yivutuka bonso una ikele bonso una avo tunga kwenu kuna sulu sawe tukiadi mimi to makala kia bonso vo katuna yigatu kuntwala kinga tuvuidigana ngena si sambute jigatu sinu kieza tuna kiao pashin vyo mutuna za muna kedi kagenu mojulu mwana kutunjila forum luteku wejele luteku sa zungidi luwatikidi kuna kuza koti munjila zi yina mu mogu tutapila yao kali lu digi kesa diaga mutapa hivyo njila tufati koti sama kami ingisa luteku sa yishi di yina mu mogu tutapila yi
ya delegação e associação Luiz de Quago. Aqui levou na Luanda Tufana.
Bom, eu a delegação Luiz de associação e colo Luiz de maoso no oluyatigiri kwa kuma vate kutuyufulusa yikuna sira diaga lukwele kuna mbongo satu tunazao wetu mutomisa zunga kikui lutomisa kiao kagatoka kafeti kitomisa kugelu nukuntwala luyalo yelo nukuntwala luyalo yelo nukuntwala luyalo gatu feti tomisa getu tunakwa kunima ibosh tubaga kikesa diaka mubate patu mvimba kadi wao na tubate patu mufuile jina keshte modo kwa yamvu ivo budika gelu foti tunga diaka kalu sochi kuna avo tuntu tapele yamvu diaka munti diaka sao zoji tson kumba mona gustu kizeko bon mono kangine korna dawra ku kashi mono wavu yetukul tuana shingola ke kikuru me kileso solo kuvo tukala kaka mona pashi pele anga yuna va fulu tufuidi yenu matoko luna muna atawe tufudi tuna mesu yetu zoji tsoni fetikala ku yenu diaka votu lweka kuna zunga kiao tala unagena tala forum gen kala vot mutoma zai kwa ni vol tula ngondo kuntwala nzang kulikana tuzaisi lumona madioko lumona diaka ko yinza diaka lumona diaka enguba iboshikana bobi kuba kinga gatu mu
nzayidi ephunza mupente kekelenge wakelelenge kumoshi i president net akele mupente yandi ukele mnani usalidenge kumenga loyilo sasu inzayidi iboshi Luiz de tuitomana yangalela muliambu echi gata tomisanga yogena kuntwala tutomana yangalela ditete tutondele diaka odu Luiz de kwako enwe yenu Luiz de yenu lifeti tomisachi ayenu Luiz de yenu lifeti tomisachi edia yivate pe utu kangei ya yivate ikuilu diadi yenu lufeti tomisa kui kagatwan kaka
Avata yekinani.
ayenu yenu ekumbu akunge yi epanzu duzu ayizayi panzu zayi kizayi kwa makumbu yinkaka ha bensawo apanzu nani oh
here we are. I'm going to tell you. Very hard, yeah? What have you written?
That was hard.
That is my village. That
Congo.
This is my village. That was my village. Yeah. Anything, have you written any words?
I did write words. I wrote Lufuete means like you have to.
Well
You're
done, yes.
obligated to.
Mm-hmm.
And
You must, yes. Mm-hmm.
he said Lufuete Luizidi. Does that mean? Am I wrong?
Don't
I
worry.
don't know.
Go to the next word, please.
The first man he said Luyalu's government.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Luyalu's government.
Good.
Then-
Yeah, good. Mm-hmm.
Then he asked that man, Kumba Kunani. Then he said Pam.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah,
Then
Then he did mention Zenza.
Yeah, and then
Nzenza doesn't mean to. Nzenza means to like argue.
the foreigner.
Oh, Nzenza means foreigner.
Yes. Yes. Well done. Well done.
But they
Diambote.
did say Louisidi. Does Louisidi mean to come, like, or to come at
Yeah,
the
yeah,
end?
you've come. Yeah, yes, you've come.
Yeah, I
Yes,
think you come.
yes, yes. Oh, Diambote Kikilo. Ah, Tutondele.
Ndele.
Vata Diame. Yeah. Monokuna Yatuka. VCD? VCD? VCD, mena mpovele VCD mo. Mukumvisa una nengwa. Monokuna Yatuka. VCD? Ku VCD ko. Tuka.
Kivisidiko.
Tuka. Oh, rusty again. Remember the verb coming from tuka.
Oh.
Yeah, remember now. Yeah. So when I say kuna ya
Tuka
tuka,
is to come.
to come from. Yeah. To come
Oh,
to
I come
yeah.
from that place.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Mono.
Mono kuna ya tuka. The second man asked, because it was my brother, we look alike.
Yes.
The man
I
said,
look like you.
yeah, the man said to my brother, I know you, you are from here, you are Panzo. Then my brother replied, no, I'm not Panzo. Then the man carried on asking, who? Then he asked, who are Panzunani? Can you translate, please? Panzunani.
Nani means
WH.
Nani means who are you?
Basically, you say, who is Panzu then? I know you are Panzu. No.
Oh, who is Panzu?
Who's Panzu? Yes. I know you are from here. Yeah. Yambote. VCD, mena, yamle yuvula mnagi kongwe. Mena ka fo vele ku VCD maukul, ku VCD moko. VCD maukul. Maukul ka fo vele VCD mo. Ku VCD moko.
VCD ko.
Okay, diambo kansi le mingu kwiza dia kasitwa tula ke pala ki pasivo wa diambo te utoma wanga ki kongwe mudiambo endonate vova mumbisa una diambo wa no we have all the notes we need. Now we need to keep marching. Yes, the rubber hit the road, otherwise we will be going round and round. You understand? Like learning to drive. You can be 1 year, I don't know, 10 years on a simulator. What do you call simulator? Learning how to drive. You go nowhere until you go on the road, make mistake. Yeah, this is normal. Expect. Yeah, you got to make mistakes. Yeah. Iwao. Okay, emono tu munzila ngina tuwawane bakisi wawana bakisiko bakisi bakisi kibakisiko you answer kibakisi VCD VCD ko. Yeah. When you're not using, when you're not using, when it's not, whenever it's not negative, you make sure you use your nasal. Yes. Yeah. Yes. What was the question? Okay. Emono munzila ngina, engebe munzila una, tuwawane. Wawana is a verb. Wawana means to meet. Yeah.
To meet.
Yeah. Can you write it down, please? Wawana. Okay. Wawana. Okay. Munzira ngina. Emono kuna kuzandu. Remember, kuna or KU, short for kuna, can be KU, yes? Okay. Kuzandu itakwenda. No, let me just, I don't want to use ita. Let me try to use prefix, yes? Ngele kuzandu, yes? Ngele kuzandu, yeah? Ngele
means I came.
Yeah. No, ngele kuzandu.
I went.
I'm going. Ngele is present.
I'm going.
Yeah, present perfect indicative, yes. Remember the verb? What is the verb? Let me tell you.
The verb is to go is kwenda.
Well done, ngele kuzandu. Yeah? I just want to. Ita is too easy, remember? Yeah?
Yes, it is easy.
Too easy. So, oh.
I have a question.
Go ahead, please.
So, if I say ngele, it doesn't mean I went. It means I am going. So
It is present perfect indicative, yes. It is. How to translate? In between present continuous and present perfect, a bit of past, but it depends on the contents.
Okay.
Because tuwawane, you ask me, your question is kweuta kwenda. Yeah, I'm just, I can avoid. I mean, I don't want to use ita. I'm going to answer ngele, yes. Ngele kuzandu, yes. Sorry. Ngele. You can see me going. You can see me going, yes. Ngele kuzandu. Yeah. Ngele.
Okay.
Remember the song, it's a poem. Ngele munzila Congo. Munzila, I'm going, yeah? He's going, she's going, yeah? It's about a girl. Ngele, I'm going, I'm marching, yes? Ngele munzila Congo. Munzila Congo itakwenda. Not too nice, yes? Ngele, you can see me going, yes? Yes. Okay, let us talk then. Tuwawane, yes? Tuwawane munanzila. Emono kuzandu itakwenda. Okay, let me use it. Okay. I can't avoid it. Okay, ngele kuzandu. Ngeye kunzo utatuka. Emono
Itatuka.
Ngeye nengwa tadiwa
Mono.
kunzo utatuka. Yeah, can you translate?
Kunzo utatuka means you came from home.
Remember we're using ita kunzo uta.
Oh, you are coming.
It is ing, yeah, yes. Yeah, coming, yes.
Coming from home.
Continuous, yes. Okay. I'm going to kuzandu itakwenda. Okay, ngele kuzandu. Yeah, I'm trying to avoid ita, yes, ngele kuzandu. And you, first.
Ngele kuzandu means I'm going.
Yeah, you can see me going. You can see me going. You asked me, yes. Okay, let us talk then. You coming from, of course. You coming from home. I'm coming from home. I'm going to the market. You are coming from home. I don't know. So I don't know where you're coming from. Then that's what I'm going to ask. Okay, Kiambote nengwa.
Kiambote tata.
Kumba kunani tata.
Okumba kunani tata.
Nengwa undoloka. Kumba kunani nengwa.
Kumbwame nengwa tadiwa.
Yeah, good, but it's good to say enge tata kumba kunani. Yes? It's kumba kunani. It's better like this than ngeye, because remember when Usually, we use when we're asking, we're greeting a person. How are you? No, no, yes. And you? Mm. Yes. Okay. Because when was you are asking someone else's name. When they say their name, my name is Peter. They don't ask you. And you? No. They ask, well, what's your name, sir? Yeah, and you say, what's your name? Okay. Okay. Let us repeat then. Kyambotenengwa.
Yambote tata.
Kumba kunani nengwa.
Kumbwame nengwa tadiwa. Yenge tata kumba kunani.
Emono kumbwame tata panzo. Tutonde kwe utatuka. Now, this is the catch. The verb is tuka, kwe utatuka. You understand the question, yeah? But I want you to use the present perfect indicatives. Kwe utatuka nengwa.
So they say,
Remember the keyword, your nasal. The verb is tuka.
Kuzandu. Tuka kuzandu.
I want you to use your nasal.
Tuka
kuzandu. Tukidi, yeah.
Oh, tukidi kuzandu.
Yeah, jambote. Emono pe kuzandu itakwenda. Baki isi? Emono kuzandu itakwenda. Nge kuzandu utatuka. Mukuvisa unanengwa.
Elo. Sangina.
Jambo. Mukuvisa ngina. You only use your nasal, just when you use your nasal, just a nasal, nothing else in VCD. Yes? Nothing else in your sentence. Okay, kuzandu tatuka, emono pe kuzandu itakwenda. Ewange nengwe kisumbidi. Remember? Sumba is a verb. Kisumbidi. My question. Sorry? Kisumbidi.
Sumba to buy.
Yes, kisumbidi. Give me the nasal, please.
Sumbidi.
Well done, yes.
Sumbidi Saka. Ye.
Madezo.
Bwenge.
Bwenge. Yambote.
Yenge tata ki sumbidi.
Kana kisumba kuzandu itakwenda. Kana kilua kako. Kisumbi kunzo itatuka. Kuzandu itakwenda. Kana kisumba mako, VCD?
So, ki
Good. Future then.
Singa.
Yes. Yeah, well done. Nguba isumba Nguba isinga sumba. Vondweke kuna zandu siya sumba nguba. Do you understand my sentence? Vondweke kuna zandu siya sumba nguba. Can you translate?
I think you're saying when I arrive at the market.
Yes, Ndweke, remember. Carry on, please.
I will buy beans.
Nguba.
Or peanuts. Peanuts.
Yes. Well done. Emadezo. Uzolanga mo.
Madezo muzolanga.
Uzolanga mo.
Elo mzolanga madezo.
I want to use a keyword. Rusty. Remember demonstrative adjectives, yes? Yeah. Remember you are going to use the adjective, then the object concord. So when I ask you, emadezo mama. Anyway, I'm giving you the adjective, yes? Emadezo mama, uzolanga mo, ingeta itoma,
So I say
Your answer. Itoma, Itoma. Object concord. I gave you object concord. Ozolanga mo ingete toma mozolanga.
Utoma.
Itoma, remember E is your first. Itoma.
So I say Itoma Zolanga.
Itoma mozolanga.
Itoma Mozolanga.
Yeah, remember object concord is more. Let me just change the elukulualu uzolanga lo. Demonstrative, yes. My object is luku. Remember luku. Luku. Luku is cassava porridge. Yes.
Oh, look who's cassava porridge.
Fufu. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Pay attention, please. I'm going to give you object concord. In your answer, you're going to use the object concord, of course. So, elukulualu, remember, luku, the subject, let's say subject. Lualu is my demonstrative adjective, yes? Lualu, yes? Elukulualu uzolanga lo. Then you answer ingeta, yes?
Ingeta.
Itomalu. Lutomalu zolanga, yes. Lozolanga. You have it on your notes, yes?
Yes.
My question was, elukulualu uzolanga lo. Remember that my lo is my object concord. Then your answer will be ingeta itoma lozolanga, yes?
Itoma lozolanga.
Yes. Okay. Another one. Ediakidiadi uzolanga dio. Yes, remember?
So be like
Your answer.
Itoma
Dio, itoma.
Oh, itoma dio.
Yeah, dio zolanga. Yeah, good. Although other parents would do itoma dio zolanga, yes. Ekikutukiaki uzolanga kyo.
Itoma ki zolanga.
Kyo, itoma kyo zolanga.
Itoma kyo
zolanga. Yes. Okay. Now you're going to answer on behalf of the crowd, yes? Ekikutukiaki luzolanga kyo.
To
Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Yes, we. Two.
Two. So tuma.
Tutoma,
Yes.
Yeah, tutoma. Then object
What
concord.
did you say again?
Sorry?
You say the sentence again. I forgot.
My question, okay. Ekikutukiaki. Remember KK, eh? Ekikutukiaki uzolanga kyo. I mean, you many, eh? Luzolanga kyo, should be the question. So, ekikutukiaki luzolanga kyo.
Ingeta. Tutoma kyo zolanga.
Tutoma kyo zolanga. Yes. Okay. Iwao kunzo utakwenda nengwe. Kuzandu utatuka. Kunzo utakwenda. Kimadia uzolanga lamba. Kimadia uzolanga lamba. Nengwe tadio.
So, Madia nzolanga. Nzolanga lamba.
Madia izolanga lamba. Nzolanga lamba. Yes, could be yes.
Madezu.
Madezo.
Nzolanga.
Madezo izolanga lamba. Diambote. Mudiamdiki. Mudiambudinki. That long sentence just to say one word in
You made
English.
it short. You just made it short. Like what's
That long sentence is just one word in English. Mudiambu.
Oh, it means like what? Like why?
Well done. Well done. Mudiamdiki.
How do I say it is because
Mudiambudinki. Yeah. Sorry?
how do I say
Mudiambu, yeah, because Mudiambu.
Okay. Mudiambu.
No, yes.
Mudiambu. I just want to say Mudiambu Nzolang.
No, just in this sense, just keep only use Mudiambu.
Mudiambu. How do I say? Because it's easy.
Okay, Mudiambu kapasi beniko mulamba. Kapasi beniko. Kapasi beniko. Kapasi, remember? Niko. Munalamba. Emadezo. Yeah, let me just. Yeah, kapasi beniko.
Kapasi beniko. Long.
Yeah, that's see, Mudiamdiki, you mean just wide. She a long sentence. This is our signature. You know, Congo, we are talkative, yeah? Bantu languages. Kapasi beniko mulamba.
How do I say I like because I like Madezo? I like eating Madezo. Let's say, do I just say Nzolanga?
Okay. You can get there. Madezo izolanga dia. Yeah? Izolanga dia. Zola izolanga
Mudiambu.
Madezo izolanga dia. Yeah, it's easier. Remember, the varies will answer the same question, yeah? But it is Madezo izolanga dia. Madezo tuzolanga dia. Madezo luzolanga dia. Tutondele. Kivu na kia tumanisi kwetu, eh? Kivu na kia unengwa. Kivu na kia u. Kibaki siko. Kivu.
I know we learned Kivu.
You're rusty, eh?
Yes, I'm rusty.
Kivu. Yeah.
Kivu is a fish. Oh.
Yeah.
Kivu
na kiao. Kivu na kiao, yeah. Use your KK, yeah? Use your ka.
Kikalaye.
No. Ka ngina ye Kivuko.
Ka ngina ye Kivuko.
Yes, ka ngina ye Kivuko. Let me just try to display because this is another question. Okay. Kangina Kivuko. Question. Sorry, I misspelled. Wait, hang on 1 minute. So. Kivu, yeah, something missing here.
Okay.
Kangina Ikivuko. Yes. What is the verb in this sentence? What is the verb?
Kalaye.
Meaning, yes. Meaning, well done.
Meaning to have.
Well done. Kangina Ikivuko. Yes. Kalaye. Okay.
Venezuela.
Yeah. Yambote Tata Carlos. Yeah. I think he was following you our talk, yes? That's what. Remember when I asked Quetta Tuka, I was okay, well done, Tutonde Tata Carlos. Okay. Okay, now what tell you Tondele. When the Cambote. Tondele. Okay. When the Cambote, yo.
Sala Cambote.
Tondele, yo.
Bimba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villielonga, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Docteur Nelson Kalaba. Jean-René Bolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Bumbo.